Hello my lovelies, how you all doing? Hope you're having a nice weekend. Right, I'm coming on to show you day 9 of I forgot where I was then. Day 9 of the DY iCAD 2024 challenge. It's run by a lady called Tammy over on Instagram. I'll leave the links to that in the description box. Right, the prompt for day 9 was potpourri, and I knew I didn't want to do anything potpourri as in the floral, beautiful scented potpourri. Potpourri apparently, I didn't really know this, but I had a look, and it also means a collection of things. So I was looking through my antiquarian sticker books, they seem to be in at the minute, and I found this image. I'll show you it. Look, you'll already have seen it by the thumbnail, won't you? I found this image and I thought, when I was looking through the book, I thought, oh, that could do for the prompt Lost and Found, which is in a couple of days' time. And I thought, no, potpourri. It's a potpourri of bizarre items. And then this strange looking man, Mr. Doodle named him Horace. Horace was horrified, he said. So thank you, Mr. Doodle. And Horace was horrified at the potpourri of bizarre items in his granny's suitcase. Now, there doesn't look anything too bizarre there, but he's actually put all the really bizarre things underneath because he was just so horrified, and he couldn't show the really bizarre things to anybody, so he's hidden them underneath. I know I'm weird. But I just love this. The background paper is Thank You Trudy. Is from Trudy. Sent me this book ages ago, and I have to write names in things so that I remember who sent me them. So I use this one. This page, sorry for the glare, page of rulers. It's a lovely book. So I used that for the background. I thought that was just a fitting colour. Went round the edge with, what is it, silver, black and gold in that mixture of embossing powder. Did that first. Oh no, I didn't. I stuck the stickers on first, and then I did that. Which, did I? Oh, and looking at that, I forgot to do that edge, look. That's how keen I've been to get this done. So I need to go back and do that edge. Silly person. And yeah, then I just typed as though I've got a typewriter. I haven't. Printed the little words out. I'd love a typewriter. Printed the little words out and then just coloured over it with a marker pen. And I love it. It's really, that just tickles me. I just like fun things, and that is hilarious. I forgot to do that edge. But I'm leaving it as it is for now. I'm not going to go and do it and make it perfect and come back and show you my mistakes. So yes, so I'm really enjoying this, doing the prompts. As I said before, I'm not normally one to do prompts. I'm not saying that I will do for the rest of them. We're only on day 9 and there's 61 days. I might not even get to the end of 61 days doing them. I don't know. I didn't last year. I think I did about 10 or something last year. So this may be nearing the end. I don't know. But yeah, that's it. Okay then, thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.